WhatsApp is the world's most popular instant messaging app. However, Facebook introduced several controversial data privacy policy, but we still love to use WhatsApp. But the sad part is that 99% of the people who use WhatsApp do not take advantage of half of its functionality, and this video is aimed to change just that. So we will start our video with most common used tips and trick, followed by some amazing features of WhatsApp. So stay tuned till the end. So let's start the video with formatting text. And it's been around for a while now, but you'd be surprised how many people do not know about this neat WhatsApp trick. Simply put an asterisk at the beginning and end of a desired word or sentence, and you can make it bold. For example, I would like to bold the word subscribe because I want you guys to subscribe to my channel. Then I will type asterisk subscribe, then asterisk. And here you go. This asterisk bold my word. The same goes for italics as well. Instead of an asterisk, you just have to use underscore on the either side of desired word, and it will change your word or sentence in italics. Now if you want to strike through text, you will need to add a tilde to the beginning and the end of the desired passage. This will strike through your entire word or sentence. There is also an option to create monospace font text. This is a font whose letters and characters each occupy the same amount of horizontal space only by adding 3 grave accent to the either side of text. Now you can see the difference between these two message fonts. Now if you do not want to remember all these special characters for these formattings, you can use shortcuts as well. Tap and hold the text to which you want to apply the formatting. Now you are entering in the text field, bold or italic. And for more options, tap on 3-dot menu to choose strike through or monospace font. If you have been using WhatsApp for a while, then you know all too well how quickly media file, photos and even memes take up valuable space in your phone. So here is a small quick tip on how to take care of that. So in the top right corner, you're gonna go ahead and click on these 3 dots and access settings. Once in there, go ahead and click on storage and data. Then right at the top, click on manage store. And here is what you can see, all the storage being taken up. You can see all the storage from each chat and also any file that are larger than 5 MB. And here is what really cool. If you click on the select all button and tap on trash can, it will delete all those videos and clean up a bunch of storage for you, as you can see. From here you can access your individual chats and see what media is currently being stored in there and if you want to get rid out of anything. So definitely check out manager storage and free up the precious space. We often use WhatsApp to share photos with our friends and family. And what exactly WhatsApp do is, it compresses the photo, which reduces the quality and the resolution of the photo, but helps in quick transfer of image and also save the data. But sometimes we want to send images in the same quality on which it is taken. And for that, in the top right corner, you're gonna go ahead and click on these 3 dots and access settings. Once in there, go ahead and click on the storage and data. Then click on the last option, that is photo upload quality. And here is where you can toggle between the best quality, which helps you to send the photo as it is, data saver, which help you to compress the image quality, and auto will analyze your network speed and several other factors and then decide whether image need to be compressed or not. Now you can use this option when you want to send an image with same quality and resolution in which it is taken. The next trick is also related to sharing image and video. So sometimes when we share photos or videos with our friends and family, we want them to delete as they see it and do not share with anyone else. But we never know what happened to that photo or video, whether they have deleted it or shared with someone else. And for such situations, you can use the option view once. And while sharing the photo and video, you will get an option below it as add caption. Under this option, on the right hand side, you can see one under half line circle and half dotted circle. Click on it and you will get one pop-up message as photo set to view once. Now click on send, and once the receiver has this message, they will not get any preview as usual when we send or receive a photo or video. But once it is open, WhatsApp will auto delete the media from their device and they cannot see it again. And in your WhatsApp, the message which was reflecting as photo will be changed as open, and you will also not get any preview of the photo. A useful option for you when you want to restrict resharing of your image and video. WhatsApp also give you the option to star a message, and essentially this is equivalent to placing a little bookmark to your conversation. All you need to do is hold on something relevant that someone sent to you and tap on the star button above. Then if you ever want to refer back to it, hit the 3 dots and click starred message. And from here you can see all of them from all the different contacts which you pinged as starred. Just as an example, you could use this to remember all the things you need to get done, and if you click on one of those stars there, it will take you back into that point in the conversation to give you some context. As per the latest change in WhatsApp policy, you cannot forward a message to more than 5 people in one go. But if you want a workaround for this, then you can use the option broadcast. What this allows you to do is to send the kind of message you would sending to a group, but instead each party actually receives it as if it were a direct message. So the people you have contacted are going to feel like they have been individually messaged, and therefore they are probably more like to respond and probably less like to start some of the topic conversation. All Android phones from last 5 years and so comes with a data usage tracker, allowing you to get an app by app breakdown of data usage. But WhatsApp also has a tracker giving you category by category look at data usage. To access WhatsApp data usage log, you will need to visit setting, then go to data and storage usage. Here you will find data usage related to Google Drive, roaming, WhatsApp calls, status updates, message and overall usage. The biggest downside is that there does not seems to be a Wi-Fi versus cellular data breakdown. It all gets lumped in a same category. So that was the list of 7 tips and tricks for WhatsApp. If you like this collection, give a thumbs up, share with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe our channel for more amazing tech videos. Thanks for watching.